Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you a natural makeup look. This look is perfect for school, for work, for home, for church, anywhere. First we're starting off with a hydrating spray as our primer. This is one of my favorite from Catrice. So now we're going in with foundation. This one is from Yardley, the StayFast foundation. I'm actually quite impressed with this foundation. I've seen them in drugstores for years, like since I was born probably, but I only decided to try them now because they have such a huge range of shades now, especially with different undertones, neutral, yellow, warm. So I suggest you give them a try. I've decided to put in longer clips of me doing my complexion because this is where the emphasis is, honestly. The eye look is very simple. The lip look is almost non-existent. So the focus is in making sure that the skin looks good. So now we're going in with concealer, with a throwback one, a favorite for many people, LA Girl, and I'm packing on quite a bit just because I don't know if you can notice my foundation is quite red, so I wanted to neutralize it just a bit more. I like to blend out my concealer on my chin, nose and forehead using the side of the sponge that I applied my foundation with, just so that it mutes it a bit. I don't want it to be too bright. Now onto the under eyes. I like to let the concealer under my eyes sit for as long as possible, just so that I maintain as much coverage as possible, and then I proceed to blend it out. As you can see, the coverage is ridiculous. It's so good. I highly recommend this concealer if you haven't tried it yet. I'm taking some of that concealer onto my eyes just to use as eyeshadow base. There's no need to get a dedicated eyeshadow base because we're not going to be doing an elaborate look. Now we're going to be setting the concealer all over our face and using the W7 Banana Dreams powder. Holy grail, the best powder in the world. Give it a try. Honestly, it's really good. Personally, I'm very generous with the powder. It really helps make my makeup long lasting. Now onto the proudly South African portion of this video. I'm going to be using the Slays for Days palette from SwiitchBeauty. It's an eyeshadow palette. We're only using Lesedi on the eye, and I mean all over the eye, in the crease, on the lid, underneath the eye. That's it. For bronzer, I'll be using my Holy Grail Hoola Toasted by Benefit. I like to use this face powder from Lancome for my nose contour just because it's lighter than toasted. I also use it to just lighten up my contour if it's a bit too dark. Now it's time to wipe off the excess powder. I take this time to spread that powder all over my face to blend out the contour, also set the rest of my face that hasn't had any powder on it. And then it actually has a way of just making everything look like they're singing the same song, if you know what I'm saying. Back to SwiitchBeauty. This is their wet #shine highlighter palette. Let me tell you something, okay? This is everything. I don't, just look, that's all, just look. I'm using the shade Clapback. Today we're doing simple brows using the Maybelline Brow Drama in dark brown. Just brushing them through, nothing special, no lines, just natural brows. Back to SwiitchBeauty. This is their cream blush palette and I will be using the shade Pink Blue. When I first saw this shade I thought, no, this is not for people of my skin tone, but it actually is really good. And what I really enjoy about it is that it applies really well on top of powder. I also really like putting blush over my nose. I don't know what it does, but whatever it's doing, I like it. Another proudly South African brand, Cava The Lashes. I'll be using them in the style Princess. This is the most natural lash in the range. I used the Kiss Lash Glue. Now for mascara, it's not a must, but it does help to define the eyes, and this is Tarte Lights Camera Lashes. For lip gloss, I'll be using the Catrice Volumizing Lip Booster. Really good lip gloss. It has menthol in it, which is what makes the tingling feeling, and it's not too strong for those who are a bit weary. Also, you could change out the lip gloss for a bold lip color if you want to transition this look from day to night. And that, my friends, is the final look. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more content like this. And I will see you in my next video. Bye.